Australia, the continent nation home to the Great Barrier Reef, the outback, Vegemite, and coffee. And spiders, snakes, magpies, and Hong Kongers? Yes, Hong Kongers, the approximate 96,000 that live in Australia. In fact, the Down Under is one of the most preferred places amongst Hong Kong immigrants. Sound exciting, doesn't it? But hold your horses. If you're a prospective homebuyer, this country, the size of Europe, might pop up on your radar. So before you pack your bags, purchase anti-venom, and slot on some sunscreen, ask yourself this: is now really a good time to move to Australia? Well, let's answer that question. Against the backdrop of the pandemic, Australian property prices have run red hot instead of dipping as expected. Something very interesting has happened. Government efforts to lower interest rates and hike tax breaks has spurred demand for property while housing supply has just not kept up, resulting in huge price leaps. Now, that's not the best news if you're a first-time buyer, but things are a bit different if you're looking to sell. Properties are being sold in an average time of 29 days across the country, the shortest time frame since 2003. Sellers don't even have to bargain too much to secure a juicy bid. Now wait, you might be thinking, if everyone is selling, who the hell is doing the buying? The simple answer? Investors. And well, people who just sold their homes for huge profits. Remember what we said about tax breaks? Under Australian law, property owners can get tax cuts if they make a loss on their investment. The cherry on top is the 50% capital gain tax discount, which slashes in half the amount you have to fork up if you sell your property after holding it for 12 months. So, conditions fresh out of the pandemic are ripe. Property prices are projected to keep rising, and many wealthy investors are taking this opportunity to wrestle each other for houses. They can minimize purchase losses while flipping hot property like Krabby Patties, guaranteeing future profits and making racks on racks on racks. But there is some light at the end of the window for the average consumer. According to experts, the Australian property market might break its almost 20-year-long streak of booming prices very soon. The government has also been discussing long-term changes to its policy to help first-time buyers. In the meantime, it's implemented two schemes: the new home guarantee scheme and the first home loan deposit scheme. These enable first home buyers to purchase with as low as a 5% deposit and singles with a 2% deposit. Furthermore, the introduction of various effective vaccines might soon lead to the country reopening its borders, once again welcoming thousands of immigrants who could help revitalize the market. So, let's circle back to our initial question, but tweak a little. When would be a good time to move to Australia? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.